Is this the end of the road for the Hairy Bikers? Sea King reveals heartbreaking news about the beloved cooking duo. Stay with us as we explore the legacy and the emotional farewell to Dave Meyers. After 2 decades of culinary adventures and heartwarming TV shows, Sea King announces the end of the Hairy Bikers following the tragic death of his best friend and co-star, Dave Meyers. Welcome back to Celebexplore Hub. Today, we're delving into the emotional announcement made by Sea King about the future of the Hairy Bikers. On Sunday, Sea confirmed that the iconic brand will not continue after Dave's passing in February. Let's hear what he had to say. In an interview with The Guardian, Sea explained why he won't carry on as the Hairy Bikers without Dave. He said, "It can't be the Hairy Bikers 2.0. That's not going to happen. It wouldn't be respectful." Sea emphasized the deep bond he shared with Dave, describing him as relentlessly positive and always ready for the next adventure. The duo's last cookbook, Our Family Favorites, is set to be released in October. Sea shared that completing the book was a labor of love in honor of Dave. In a heartfelt video, he spoke about their discussions and the significance of this final project. Sea's voice trembled with emotion as he talked about the book, saying, "It's full of recipes that have remained favorites over the years and stay close to our hearts. It's a really special book written with love and in memory of my lovely mate." Dave Meyers, who passed away at 66 after a long battle with cancer, left a lasting impact not only on Sea but also on their fans worldwide. Thousands of motorcyclists recently gathered to celebrate Dave's life, and a GoFundMe page in his honor has raised nearly £100,000 for NSPCC Childline and the Institute for Cancer Research. Dave's warmth and charm were evident on shows like Strictly Come Dancing, where he partnered with Karen Hauer. His partnership with Sea began in the film industry, blossoming into a beautiful friendship centered around their shared love for food and motorbikes. The Hairy Bikers debuted on the BBC in 2006, quickly becoming household names with 31 projects over the years. Their final show together, The Hairy Bikers Go West, remains a testament to their enduring bond and shared passion. That's a wrap for today's video. Our hearts go out to Sea King and all fans of the Hairy Bikers. What are your favorite memories of the duo? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Celebexplore Hub.